wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best home generators. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the Sportsman Gen 4000 LPC is fueled by propane, which burns a bit more efficiently than gas, giving this model a slightly longer runtime than many. It includes a fuel hose and a regulator, so all you need is a standard propane tank to get it up and running. It comes with overload protection on the outlets and an auto shut-off safety valve, but no wheels makes it difficult to move. At number 8, environmentally conscious users might want to consider a solar option like the EcoFlow Delta, which functions like a jumbo external battery pack. Just note that it provides a finite amount of power unless it's furnished with a solar panel. It's equipped with 6 120-volt outlets and an assortment of USB ports. However, it can't supply high-draw appliances. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Duramax XP4400E has all copper windings and cranks out 3,500 watts of power. It comes with a low-oil automatic shutoff that protects its 7-horsepower engine and a built-in main breaker to help safeguard its circuitry. It includes integrated surge protection, a spark plug wrench, and convenient wheelbarrow-style handles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for home generators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Ford SwitchGo FG11050PBE is equipped with 10-inch tires, chrome rims inspired by the company's F-150 truck, and drop-down handles to help provide portability. It can alternate between liquid propane and gasoline instantly, even during operation. It features a powder-coated steel frame, a 10-hour runtime at half load, and dust covers on the outlets. Moving up our list to number 5. The digital display on the Champion Power Equipment 100520 makes it easy to track the output voltage and frequency, as well as how many operational hours the unit has under its belt. Its quick drain system makes oil changes easy. It offers 7,000 running watts, battery charging cables, and a roll cage with fold-away handles. At number 4, the Westinghouse WGN 7500DF is equipped with a 6.6-gallon fuel tank and can provide up to 16 hours of runtime at a quarter load. It comes with a digital hour meter and a convenient key fob and generates about 72 decibels of noise. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty and is transfer switch ready. It features GFCI protected outlets. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Honda EU2200i kit consists of 2 compact generators and a set of connecting cables to run them in parallel. While the first one is equipped with a pair of 15-amp outlets, the companion can accommodate 20 and 30-amp equipment. These are quiet at 53 to 62 decibels each and lightweight at 46 pounds each. They provide a 4,400-watt output together. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for home generators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, when running on gasoline, the Pulsar G12KBN can crank out 9,500 watts continuously. On propane, that drops slightly to 8,550. If you think you can get by with even less, 3 smaller versions of this model are available for lower prices. It boasts an air-cooled overhead valve engine, an 8-gallon fuel tank, and a convenient electric push-start. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Duramax XP4400EH is a 23-horsepower model capable of delivering 12,000 running watts. It should be able to supply virtually any residential demand, including ovens and air conditioners. Its low oil shutoff prevents burnout, and its idle control conserves fuel. It includes built-in breakers. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for home generators, or simply click beneath this video.